Welcome back to our channel. If you're new here, I'm Shey, and somewhere around there is my hubby L.A, and we are here converting this 250 Ford Transit in our tiny home on wheels. If you haven't watched our previous videos, please go back and watch those and you'll know a little bit more about us. So today we are working on the walls, so we kind of started, but we have a lot to do. We'll see if this weather will let us work, porque parece que it's going to rain. So hopefully it doesn't rain on us, and let's get to work. Alright guys, we are gonna be using the crack jig to make the pocket holes. You can do pocket holes without using this, but I've been wanting to use this for the longest time, so now we just gotta read how it works or watch a video on what to do with this thing. But I'm super excited, so yeah, let's see how it goes. So the instructions says, si tú eres boricua, do you even use instructions? Let's figure it out. So para el crack jig, no lea las instrucciones because you're not gonna understand the instructions. First thing you're gonna do, it comes with this little thing, this little guy over here. You're gonna measure your piece of madera. Ours is 3/4. So on your thingy, you're gonna get to the same 3/4. Like you can move this by pressing this thingy here and then going up and down. You want to make sure that it's at 3/4 because that's what you're going to be working with. And this little guy right here, the drill thing, you're going to use the same key measurement piece. Thank you. And you can move it by turning this to the right, and then I don't know if you can see it, but it has the numbers like ours right there. Can you see it? It's 3/4. Anyways, that's what you gotta do. Pones tu aparatico right here in the corner. Put your seat clamp. Make sure que lo tienes en el medio. It doesn't have to be perfect, you know. You don't want this to move, so let's put another clampy thing here. Now it's very secure and tight, so time to drill. Let's see. It's beautiful. These are my first pocket holes. I gotta call my dad. Papi, are you proud of me?
Oh.
So, we're super excited. We are about to put our first pocket holes. I know, maybe you have done it multiple times, but for us, it's our first time making pocket holes. And I'm super excited. Let me give you a little update where we are at. Hicimos ya las paredes, the framing of the wall for the shower. And now we are doing the one for the bed, and we did this area as well, which is gonna be kitchen and some other stuff in there. Now we're gonna work on the framing for our bed, and hopefully we can do part of the shower. Hopefully. We just did this one. We did this one. Este right here, this is where the bed is going to go. That's the plan for now. Oh my gosh, I'm sweating. That's the plan. We'll see if it works. If not, we'll take everything off and then we'll do it again, because why not? Learning as you go. All right, so the plan is we build this city. We build this frame, and the plan is to put a quarter inch. We're gonna put it in the back of this frame, and this is what we're gonna use as a
Headboard.
That way the mattress, we don't lose that space on the wall, and the mattress is gonna go deeper into the wall. I don't know if that makes sense, but stay here so you can see what we're building if it doesn't start raining. It's been a long day. Maybe it doesn't seem like we did a lot, but it feels like we did a lot. We took a ride to see if there was any vibration, and there was 3 spots that it was like super loud. One of them was towards the back of the van. So in this area of the van, there's no pre-made holes or whatever it is, like the ones that we used. The holes that came with the van, I don't know, pre-holes. There was none of them towards the back, so we have to drill in the metal with one of these self-tapping screws or self-drilling screws, what we did there, and now it's not moving at all. And she is looking so beautiful. We are just pre-drilling. Now we're gonna do a counter sink, and this baby is gonna go right there. Drill it, babe. Now there's no vibration. Whoop, whoop. Okay, I guess that's it for today. We'll see you guys next weekend. So don't forget to share, like, and subscribe. Come back to us for another adventure of building this baby. Bye.